So we have this Roomba that we just got, and I didn't buy it. One of my other roommates bought it, but I've never seen it working because I've never been in the house. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing it do its thing. I have no idea why it's in the kitchen. Nope. And I don't know what exactly it's cleaning in the kitchen. But it's in the kitchen, and I think this is like the second time it's been in here today. And it started at 12, and it's currently 12:57, and I don't know why it's taking an hour to clean. And I really don't know if it's like effective in cleaning because it's so small.